Hello children, welcome back to our class. So we were in the chapter shapes and patterns and we are doing exercise 4.1 question number 2. Okay children, so question number 1 has been done. Now today we are going to do number 2. So take out page number 52 and you have to do along with me. Okay children, so this is the second question. Color the biggest and cross the smallest shape. Okay children, so from here what do you learn? You learn how to color the things beautifully, very nicely. You learn one thing from this type of question. The other thing what you learn is you learn how to identify the shapes, okay, and you also learn how to identify the size of the shapes. Okay, so what you have to do here, color the biggest. So coloring you will be doing, obviously any color which you like you can put. Okay, so only one picture you will be coloring. Okay, the biggest one. So the biggest one here is the first one. Okay, and you have to cross the smallest one. Smallest one is the last one, isn't it? So let us first color the biggest one. Okay, any color of your choice you can take. Okay children, so I am choosing here this one, but one thing you have to remember, that when you do coloring you have to be very careful that your colors are not going out of the line. Okay, so here I am trying to color it. Okay, so you do it with the color pencil so that it will not go out. Okay children, so sometimes it may go out when I am doing, okay, as I am doing it in the mobile. Okay children, so now the first one I have colored, the biggest square I have colored. So what is the picture, what is the shape of the picture given here? It is square, and from there I have colored the biggest one. Now I have to cross the smallest one. Okay, so I am crossing the smallest one. Okay, in the same way the next question is same question, but the figure is what shape? It is rectangle in shape, isn't it? So now which is the biggest one here? This is the biggest one, so we have to color it, and the smallest one is this one, so this one we have to cross it. Okay, so let us do children. So this time I am choosing yellow color. Okay, once more. So let us color this one. So you color it nicely so that nothing goes out. Okay, and it looks beautiful in your book. Take your own time. Okay, no need to do it in a hurry. So this is the biggest rectangle I have colored, and the smallest one is this one, right? The smallest one is this one, so I am crossing the smallest one. Okay children, in the same way the third picture is of square, it is of circle. Okay, so here the biggest one is the last one, right, and the smallest one is the first one. So let me first choose any color we can choose. I have chosen now green, so this one I have crossed it. Okay, and the biggest one is the last one, so let me color this one. So you color it nicely. Okay children, so this is the last one I have colored it. Okay, in the same way the last one is what shape? The last figure is of triangle, isn't it? These are all triangles. Out of these, the biggest one is the first one and the smallest one is the second one. Okay, children? So let us choose one color. Which color shall we do now? Let us do blue. Okay? So now I have choose blue, and let me first cross this one. The smallest one I have crossed. The smallest triangle I have crossed, and the biggest one I am going to color it. Okay? So if anything is going out, you may erase it also with the help of the rubber. Okay, but don't use sketch pens. See, now here so much has gone out, so I am trying to erase it. Okay, so let me try once more whether I can do it nicely or not. Okay, all this much. I think now it is better than before, right? So we have done up to this much. Okay, so children, you will be doing right now in your textbook. No need to go for your copy. Okay, now the next question is number 3. Question number 3 is also of shapes. Okay, but what you have to do, you have to match the shape of the same size. Here no coloring. Here you have to match it. Okay, you may take the help of color pencil if you want to match. Okay, but no sketch pen or simple pencil also you can take. So how you have to match here? You have to match the shape of the same size. Okay, so here you can see that this figure, this is rectangle. This one and this one is of same shape or one? Yeah, these three are of same shapes, isn't it? And this triangle and this triangle is of the same size. Okay, so here you have to match the size. Okay, now this circle, this one circle is small, isn't it? And this is also small. So you have to match this circle and this circle. Okay, and in the same way you have to match this square and this square also. Okay, so now let us start. Let us try to match it. Okay, so as far as possible we will try to match it. In a tidy way. Okay, so this one, first one only became untidy, right? So let us start here. Okay, so this figure and this figure is of similar, isn't it? These two look similar. Now you have to see that this square and this square is also looking similar, isn't it? Don't make your book dirty, children. Now this circle and this circle is look also similar in shape and similar in size. Okay, the size of the size. Okay, that means whether how much big it is almost same. Now this triangle and this triangle also the size is same, right children? So anything I have left now? Yes. Now this rectangle and this rectangle is also of the same size, right? Now anything left? Yes, this square and this square, this already matched, isn't it? These two squares are matched. Okay, so anything else left? Yes, this rectangle is equal to this rectangle is equal to this rectangle, isn't it? So one more, we can match it this way. Shall try to match it in this way. Okay, try not to make your book dirty. So any more pictures that we have to match it of the same size. I find here only this much. Okay children, so you have to do like this. Okay, so now let us do the remaining questions tomorrow. Okay children, hope you have enjoyed the class today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.